Hello everyone, my name is Don Anthony Baldoza from this ITS2A. On this video, we're going to talk all about how to configure a DHCP server. I have here my requirements. So my requirements are, one is I need a IP block consisting of 172.31.0.0 uh, and a router IP address that is a valid IP address, then DNS server, et cetera, et cetera. So we'll do that right now. First things first is to go to your start menu, then find command prompt. Here in the command prompt, you need to run then oob.exe. Now, once that is done, minimize that, then configure network. Right click this local area network, then click properties. Then find internal network for TCP IP4. Click that, then configure these settings. So I'm gonna use the IP block that is needed. So I'm gonna type 172.31.0.31. Then 172.31.0. After that, click OK. Click OK. Then we proceed to DHCP role configuration. I have here a preferred DNS of 127.0.0.1. To do that, just go to your server manager, roles, DNS server. Oh no, I haven't installed it yet. So add roles, then click DHCP server. We're gonna install this first. Here I have a default of 172.3.31.31. Leave it default. Here is my preferred DNS server. Now we're gonna change. Oh no, we're not gonna change it. It's our preferred DNS. We're gonna put a alternative DNS, but we must still stick on the preferred DNS, which is the 127.0.0.1. Now to check if it's a valid ID, a valid IP, just click validate. Then we proceed. to the next page. Next, 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 next. Use the current credential. Next. Then we're gonna install it. After installing, go to the DHCP server. So again, once installed, go to the DHCP server. DHCP. Here, locate the IPv4. This one. Then we're gonna add a new scope for this one. Then gonna type the following requirements: the HTTP BSID server, click next. The following requirements for start IP address and end address are this: 172.31.0.1, 172.31.0.254. Leave this to as default. Click next. Then I'll start ID address of. So we need to add a exclusion and delay. We're gonna put 172.31.0.1, 172.31.0.31. Add that exclusion. And we're gonna put another exclusion. Press to 1.0.224, 172, 172, 31.0.254. Click next. Then this list duration, we're gonna put the 8 hours. The requirement is 8 hours. So just gonna put 8 hours here. Click next. Then I want to configure the settings. Then the default gateway, we're gonna add the default gateway, which is the 172.31.0.1. Click next. Then this one, click this one. Go to the command prompt. Test it if it's running. And there you go. As you can see, I have here a command that is ping.tup.com. It will show if these routers, this IP address, are already have a connection. Now that I am sure that they have a connection, I'm just gonna remove this one, then type this 172.31.031. 17. Gonna add this one. So that might take some time. And the Google IPs, we need to add those. The default DNS for our Google, we must type those. Then another one is 844. And the last one is this IP address. After those validation, we just need to activate the scope. Just click next. Here I don't change anything. Leave it as default. Then activate the scope. Now we're done. And yeah, that's all about on this video. Catch me up on another video. Thank you for watching.